Okay. Wow, it's been a while since we did a video. It's been a long time. Weekend Gardener here with Evie and Beatrice.
Hi.
What's going on? And today is taste test, and we have morango de blanco.
Morango branco.
Morango branco.
Okay. Show the folks what it looks like.
Okay.
In America, we call this an Alpine berry or Alpine strawberry. And you already know what I'm about to say about it, right?
Yes, I know.
I don't like strawberries.
Okay.
What does it smell like?
It smells like a regular. What do you think, Beatrice?
O cheiro?
Mm-hmm.
Strawberry, cheiro de morango mesmo.
She say is regular. The smell is a regular strawberry.
Mm-hmm.
She's my daughter. And then we go and taste.
I hear a lot of crunching. Uh-oh.
It's something different. Something different.
It's white.
The texture?
Mm-hmm.
Ele é mais mole. O morango do Brasil é mais duro. Quando você morde, é duro. Esse é mais molinho.
More smutty. No.
Mushy?
Yes. Mushy. I don't know.
Mais macio.
Yeah.
Like mashed potatoes.
Yes.
Oh, not so smoothie.
Mm-hmm.
Mushy.
Mushy. Mm-hmm.
But Brazilian strawberry is harder.
Oh,
Isso,
okay.
faz um crack. É mais duro.
It's more crunchy.
Esse é mais macio.
This is more
Macio.
soft.
Okay, what's the what does it taste like? Anything?
Taste is
That's
actually like
texture.
morango.
Hã? O gosto?
Você acha que tem o mesmo gosto do morango?
Acho que esse é mais picante. Esse ele trouxe uma picância no final. Que o morango não tem. No Brasil.
She say in the end you feel like spiciness.
Spicy?
Yes.
No final.
In the
tempero
end.
maior. O sabor mais presente, mais forte. O sabor.
More flavor, strong flavor.
Oh, okay, so
Yeah.
that's a good thing.
Yes, but it's not sweet
It's not
enough.
sweet?
For me, no. For my taste, no. Você acha que é... Você gosta do doce dele? Tá bem docinho ou...
É pouco doce. Bem menos.
Poco doce?
She say the same. It's not so sweet.
Yeah,
O Brasil
so.
é bem forte.
Yeah. The
O
Brazilian-
vermelho, né?
Oh. The red strawberry
It's better.
is better. Taste is stronger and sweet.
Okay.
Your turn.
What's your number?
My number is 4. Que número você dá?
Eu tô 7, 7.
7?
8.
8?
Wow. So that means it's good. I see
Eu
she's
gostei.
still eating.
Of course.
I think the last time I actually had a strawberry, wow, I must have been like 6 or 7 years old.
Really?
Yeah, does my dog like it?
Yeah, Romeo like it.
Of course he likes it. He's greedy. I've had a strawberry in ice cream before, Breyers, and I used to always spit the strawberry part out.
Wow.
Yeah.
Ele falou que há muito tempo que ele não come morango. Muitos anos.
Ele vai gostar
So,
desse.
smells good though.
O cheiro é muito gostoso.
I think it's the texture I don't like. Just seeing all these little dots and stuff.
Yeah.
Maybe I can eat it like this.
Ele não gosta
Ah.
de ver as bolinhas.
Ele vai sentir a picância no final, eu acho.
Okay.
É meio azedinho, né?
Tem muito tempero no final.
It has a citrus taste to it.
Citrus.
Like a not like a lemon, but a real weak, watered down lemon.
Uhum. Um limão meio aguado, ele falou. Whisky é fraco.
É. Só pra ele ser macio, ele sente mais macio.
Do you think it's soft?
No.
No.
I mean, I don't have this to compare it to because I don't eat strawberry.
Ele não come morango normal, então ele não tem como comparar.
O morango vermelho é durinho.
Isso. Vem.
I'm not gonna lie. I kind of like it.
You kind of like it?
I kind of like it. I give it a 7.
Oh, that's high. No, Beatrice give 8.
8.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, because I don't have anything to compare it to.
Yeah.
Because I haven't, like I said, I haven't had a strawberry before.
Yeah.
Maybe by accident when I was little, but
yeah,
it's not bad. Not bad.
No.
Okay.
What's your number, homeboy?
What's this?
Come on. Yeah.
Come on. Ready. Come here, homeboy. Yeah. People want to see you eating, homie.
I'll cut you.
No, not the table.
I'll cut you.
Põe
Yeah.
aqui na mão da mãe dele.
Yeah, a little dirty heat on the table. Okay.
Que americano não gosta de ver.
What's your number, homeboy?
Woo! Wow, already?
Yeah, I don't think he tasted it. Okay, your weekend gardening evening, Beatrice, and we are out.
Bye, guys.
Tchau, tchau.